Hello, all, and welcome to this session on an Alumni Talk with Abhishek. Hello, Abhishek, and welcome to this meet.
Yeah, hello, Duha.
Yeah.
Is that
Can you please turn on your camera here?
Yeah, I have turned it on.
Thank you. First of all, a very congratulations for your job to have a job in AI and ML, and a very warm welcomes to this session. So,
Thanks.
yeah. So quickly starting the interview here, can you just let all of our viewers know about your current job profile, which I can see it's an AI ML engineer in Examroom.AI. Can you just get us through what job exactly, job role and job profile you have there?
So, I'm working as an associate AI/ML engineer in Examroom.AI company.
Okay, so what exactly you do in there?
So, Examroom.AI is an proctoring based company. So they provide to perform to the clients to perform exams, and they provide the solutions to them. So we'll provide the required projects like computer vision and NLP related projects for them. So I was working under a computer vision project.
Okay. So can you tell us about the course that you joined in DataMites and what did you do in your core course here?
So it's been approximately 2 years back I have joined the DataMites as a course. So it was a 3 months course. So is my cam I'm not visible?
Yes, you're visible.
Yeah, yeah. I just got a pop-up message. So that's
Yeah.
so it was a three
Yeah.
month yeah.
Please proceed with the course details.
Yeah. So it was a 3 months course period and an internship of 6 months. So during my course period, they have trained us as an Python basics, NumPy, Pandas. Then coming to the statistics parts about the use of the Matplotlib, SciPy, and scikit-learn, so such things, how to pre-process the data, how to analyze the data, and machine learning coming they have teached around 10 to 11 algorithms regression, classification, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning, and then there was a basic touch of the deep learning about the ANN and CNN architectures and how the what are the different parameters and such things like that. It was there.
Okay, so you had enrolled in a data science course, right?
Yeah, I was enrolled as a data science course. And also, during my internship period, they have assigned a capstone projects. So, we had done actually four capstone projects and one client related project. There was four capstone projects. So, one was related to regression, classification, and one we have done clustering, and another was related to the CNN based part.
Okay, so how did the course help you to get into your current job, which you're currently working as?
So it really helped me a lot. So this was a definitely the new thing, the AML when I joined, which I would have not known that much about it. So it was a newly different thing for me. So after joining the course, it had really helped me to understand the concepts clearly and how to prepare for the interview and what kind of things they had required and such things.
Okay. Can you take us through the roadmap that how did you prepare? How did you apply for the jobs and get into the job currently you're working as?
So initially after completing the internship, they give us the internship certificates, and also they have given the NASCOM and IBAC certifications to complete. So after completing all the required certifications, the certifications also help you in getting the jobs. Not only the course completion certificate. So that will add upon a point to the job profile. So just prepared my resume and sent it to the PAT team, and even the PAT team so guided me in making the few changes according to the resume as they'll be knowing it very well. And then I have updated the resume as and when the whichever. tools or skills I learned on the ongoing time.
Okay, so how did you land up in the job in an Examroom.AI? What was your approach to get into jobs?
Like it was through the PAT team only. So like they had sent a mail from team about the Examroom.AI, like as a data annotator role. So then I had given the interview for a data annotator role. And after selecting as a data annotator role, they had trained me as an AIML trainee for 6 months. Then after my performance at review in the company, and then recently my position has got changed to associate AML engineer.
Okay, so when you appeared in the interview, what was the interview mostly focused on? Like, what were the questions mostly they were asking, the topics they were
So
asking?
like they Yeah, so like they was asking about the regression, the regression algorithm. So on the loss functions and like what kind of activation functions have you used, and like how did you process the like we had done actually the capstone projects, right? So like how did you do the EDA part, and what all things you faced during the EDA? Then how did you overcome it? So then like that they are used to ask during the interview process.
Okay, so currently as an AML engineer, what are the tools mostly you work into?
So like I have been working as a like mostly in the computer vision projects. So like we are using like YOLO algorithm, ResNet, YOLO algorithm for like detection purpose, and ResNet and FaceNet. Like those are the few embedding generation algorithms. So used to suppose if you need to get the embeddings of the particular regions, so you use such things like that.
Okay.
Different.
Okay, so during your course period, what was the contribution of your as such as your trainers that were helping you with the course? How did your training session go with them?
The training session actually it was went really well. So like they like after every completion of each module, they used to take like what you will call the review sessions, the doubt clearing sessions. Suppose if you have any such things like that, they used to take one session of full of doubt clearing sessions only. So like it was not like just the teaching part. So they used to also clear the doubts. And suppose if you have any doubts at any time, so they used to make understand.
Okay, so during your interview that you had with Examroom.ai, was it mostly a coding based interview or it was just theoretical interview?
Like it was majority of the things was theoretical, and they asked one simple coding question round.
Okay. So what advice would you give to somebody who is right now seeking job in AI and ML, like how to prepare and how to get into different jobs they have?
So like first you need to start from the basics itself, like the knowing the Python basics. Then statistics is also required. Those that are more interested in data analysis part, data visualization part. Then moving on towards the machine learning. So like you must know the algorithms, the loss functions, how to handle it, and the activation functions. Then moving on, then the deep learning, then NLP parts like that. It goes.
Okay, so here is a question from an anonymous attendee. What are the main skills needed for a data annotator?
So like for a data annotator, it was not that much kind of work. You need to like like get the data from the open source and like clean the data if the data is required. And then if like for an object detection purpose, you need to annotate the data. So we have used like some few of the tools for annotating the data. And then after annotating the data, you will split the data in class like train and test. Then you will do the training part and inferencing part, such things.
And what are the tools that we use for annotation?
Like we use the RoboFlow.
Okay. Okay, Abhishek, that's it from our side. Thank you for your very precious time to have this
Yeah,
interview. Thank you.
yeah. Yeah, thanks.